Now we are going to learn the noun form of some of the words. Trouvez le nom, the noun form. So here we have been given 6 verbs, and if you notice, these are the verbs we use to describe an action, that is beginning, continuing and finishing. So these are the verbs we have already learnt. So we are going to find the noun form of these verbs. So the first verb is débuter. So the noun form of this would be le début. Débuter is the verb. The noun form is le début. The next one, commencer. Commencer. So the noun form of this would be le commencement. Commencement. This is the verb commencer, to begin. The noun form is le commencement. The next one, arrêter. Arrêter is the verb to stop. The noun form is l'arrêt. L'arrêt. That would be the noun form. The next one, continuer. Continuer. It is to continue. This is the verb. The noun form would be la continuation. Continuation. So continuer is the verb to continue. The noun form is la continuation. Now the next verb given is finir. Finir, to finish. So the noun form would be la fin. La fin, the finish. Finir is to finish, the verb. The noun form is la fin. The next verb is reprendre. Reprendre, the verb. The noun form would be la reprise. La reprise. So this is one of the words I was telling you about. We know the verb prendre. When re is added as the prefix, it means the action is repeated. Reprendre. And the noun form is la reprise. So once again, read the verb along with the noun form with me. Débuter, le début. Commencer, le commencement. Arrêter, l'arrêt. Continuer, la continuation. Finir, la fin. Reprendre, la reprise. So, by learning the noun form, you will be able to use it in sentences. So, when you need to write an essay, you will need both the verb and the noun forms. So, you need to know the difference between the two, and in which sentence, whether you need to use the verb or the noun form. So, depending on the situation, you will be able to judge which of these words needs to be used. So, this will be very useful when writing essays.